बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum. Now today we have to solve the numerical problems which are in exercise of chapter 11. 11.1. A normal conversation involves sound intensities of about 3 into 10 raised power minus 6 watt per meter square. What is the decibel level of the intensity and what is the intensity of the sound of 100 decibels? So there are two questions here. First of all, we have to solve the first part of this numerical. Now we have to write the data for it. Now data. Value of I is given 3 into 10 raised power minus 6 watt per meter square, and all of you know that value of I naught is 10 raised power minus 12 watt meter per second square. We have to find sound level. Now formula which we have to use here, that is sound level is equal to 10 into log I over I naught. Now calculation. As SL is equal to 10 log of I over I naught. So SL is equal to 10 into log of, what is the value of I? 3 into 10 raised power minus 6, and value of I naught is 10 raised power minus 12. So it will become, or SL is equal to 10 into log 3 into 10 raised power minus 6, and by law of exponent, all of you know, here we have to add 12. So SL is equal to 10 log of 3 into 10 raised power 6 instead of minus 6. As you know, here we have minus 6 and plus 6. Okay. Now SL is equal to 10 into log of this. And what is the value of log of this? You have to use calculator in order to find it. So its value be log of 3 exponent 6 is this, its value be 6.477. So sound intensity level is 64.7 dB decibel. So this is the value of the first portion of the question. And what is the intensity of the sound of the 100 decibel? Now if you are given sound level, you have to find the what is the value of the intensity level for this. So what we have to do, I think I have to remove it or clear the screen. Okay, again we have to write data, and all of you know I naught is equal to 10 raised power minus 12 watt per meter square, and value of I we have to find it, and sound level is given here, which is 100 decibel. So formula is the same in this case as well, which is sound level is equal to 10 log of I over I naught. Now calculation. As sound level is equal to 10 log of I over I naught, so sound level is given here, which is 100 decibels. 100 is equal to 10 log of I over 10 raised power minus 12. All of you know what is the value of I naught. Okay, or rewrite it as 10 is equal to log I over I naught, or 10 is equal to 10 raised power minus 12, be its value. Okay, log I minus log of 10 raised power minus 12, according to the second law of the logarithm as you study in the mathematics. So 10 is equal to log of I, and here we have minus into minus 12. This will be the third law. So 10 is equal to log I plus 12 into log 10, which is 1. So here we have 12. So, or it will written as log I is equal to 10 minus 12. So log I is equal to minus 2. You can take its anti-log in order to get its answer. So it will be 0.01 or 10 raised power minus 2 decibel. So simple. You can see from here we have 100 mean 10 raised power 2, so in decibel it will become 10 raised power minus 2. Okay, so this be done. And 11.2, if at Anarkali Bazaar Lahore intensity level of sound is 80, what will be the intensity of this sound here? This be same as the second part of the previous question. So we can write here data for it. Data, we have to find the value of I, and I naught is equal to 10 raised power minus 12. Okay, watt per meter square, and okay, I think I have do something incorrect. So it will be watt per meter square. Thanks. Okay, watt per meter square. Now sound level is given to you, which is 80 dB. Formula, we use same formula here, which is sound level is equal to 10 log of I over I naught. So calculation, as sound level is equal to 10 log of I over I naught. So 80 is equal to 10 log of I over 10 raised to power minus 12, which is same as previous question. Or 8 is equal to log I minus log 10 raised to power minus 12, or 8 is equal to log I plus 12 into 1. So, or log I is equal to 8 minus 12. Log I is equal to minus 4. So in same way, I will be equal to 10 raised power minus 4 watt per meter square. When you take anti-log of this, you will get 10 raised power minus 4. This will be the answer. Now 11.3, at a particular temperature the speed of sound in air is this be the speed of sound. So what is, first we have to write data here. So V is equal to 330 meter per second and wavelength is 5 centimeter. Calculate the frequency of sound. Is this sound frequency is audible to human ear or not? Now see here, in this question there are two units, system of units used. Velocity is given in meter per second and wavelength is given in centimeters. So what we have to do, we convert this centimeter into meter, so it will become 0.05 meters. Now formula, all of you know what is the formula which we have to use here. Formula V is equal to F lambda. Calculation, as V is equal to F lambda. So velocity is given to us 330. We have to find the value of frequency, and lambda is given, which is 0.05. Or from this equation, when we rewrite it, so we have F is equal to 330 divided by 0.05, and what we get here, 6 600 hertz. This be the frequency, and this frequency is greater than 20 hertz and less than 20,000 hertz. So this will be the audible sound. So this will be the answer of 11.3. Now 11.4, a doctor counts 72 heartbeat in 1 minute. Calculate the frequency and time period of the heartbeat. So first of all we have to write data. So number of heartbeat, (72), time, or simply you can write here T is equal to 1 minute, which is equal to 60 seconds. All of you know frequency is the number of vibrations in 1 second. So we have to calculate frequency here as well as wavelength. So first of all we have to calculate frequency in a formula. Here we use a formula, frequency will be equal to the number of heartbeat divided by the total time, as we want to calculate it into the 1 second instead of 60 seconds. So number of heartbeat divided by time. So calculation as frequency is equal to number of heartbeat divided by time. So frequency is equal to 72 divided by 60. So when you divide 72 by 60, answer will be 1.2. So frequency is 1.2 hertz. So in 1 second only 1.2 hertz is the frequency or the heartbeat. Now we know that we have to find the period of heartbeat, time period of heartbeat, and all of you know that T is equal to 1 over F. So now T is equal to 1 over F. So we have to calculate it. So 1 over 1.2. It will become 0.83 seconds. 833 seconds. So this be the answer for your question number 11.4. Now 11.5. A marine survey ship need a sound wave straight to the seabed. It receives an echo 1.5 seconds later. The speed of sound in seawater is 1500 meter per second. Find the depth of the sea at that position or this position. Okay, as you know, if this be the survey ship and it send a sound wave toward the bed, what happens? That sound wave reflects from the bed and reaches to it. So here it will take t time to reach the ship after reflection, and it covers double the distance as it covered in one direction, and we have to find the depth of the sea. So data time is equal to 1.5 second. We have to find S, and V is equal to 1500 meter per second, and formula which we use here, 2S is equal to Vt, as we use in the previous chapter as well. And in case of the echo or the, in order to find the speed of sound on those topics. Now calculation. As 2S is equal to Vt, so 2S is equal to, what is the value of V? 1500. And what is the value of T? 1.5. So S will be equal to 1500 into 1.5 divided by 2. So S will be equal to 1500 into 1.5 divided by 2. So it will be 1125 meters. So this will be the answer. Now a student clapped his hand near a cliff and heard the echo after 5 seconds. What is the distance of the cliff from the student if the speed of the sound is taken 346 meter per second? Now this question be same as the upper question, so you have to do it yourself. Now for example, student be here, he claps and this be a cliff. Now sound which he generates, that strike with the cliff and after reflection reaches to him. So in same way as in above example, so time is 5 seconds here, but speed of sound in air is much less as compared to the seawater, which is 346 meter per second. Okay, you use the same formula, 2S is equal to Vt, and solve it yourself. Okay, 11.7, a ship sends out ultrasound that return from the seabed and detected after 3.42 seconds. The speed of ultrasound through the seawater is 1531 meter per second. This will be the speed of the sound. What is the distance of the seabed from the ship? This will be the same as previous two questions, so you have to do yourself. Okay, now the highest frequency sound human can hear is about 20,000 hertz. What is the, so this will be the highest speed of sound a human being can hear. What is the wavelength of the sound in air at this frequency, at the temperature 20 degrees Celsius, and what is the wavelength of the lowest sound we can hear about 20 hertz. Assume the speed of sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius is 343. Now students, 20 degrees Celsius is given, but we have not to use it, as speed of sound is given at the 20 degrees Celsius, so we can find the frequency of sound at 20 degrees Celsius with respect to this speed. Now, highest frequency human can hear, that is 20,000. What is the wavelength of the sound in air at this frequency? At a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So first there are two questions here. What we have to do? First of all, we have to use this frequency and find the wavelength of this. We are given speed of sound here, and what is the wavelength of the lowest sound we can hear from the 20 hertz. So we have to find the wavelength for the 20,000 hertz, as you see here, as well as 20 hertz. So there are two questions here, and this will be the speed of the sound. We don't need this value. Our answer will be accordingly. Okay. Frequency and data. I will do the first part, you have to do second part yourself. Okay. Data. Frequency which is given, that is 20,000 hertz. This will be the first part. Now we have to find the wavelength when velocity is 343 meter per second. So V is equal to F lambda. That will be the same formula we use here. So formula. In second part, what you have to do? In second part, you use 20 hertz instead of this value. This is the value for second part, and other values remain same. Okay. Now formula. V is equal to F lambda. Calculation. As V is equal to F lambda, so as V is given here 343, frequency is 20,000 hertz. We have to find value of lambda, or lambda is equal to 343 divided by 20,000. So lambda will be equal to Now we have to calculate it. 343 divided by 20,000, so it will becomes 0.01715 meter, or simply lambda is equal to 0.017 meters. So this be your answer of the first part. And in second part, again I say you that you have to use 20 hertz instead of 20,000 hertz. Okay, and do it yourself. I think all of you got this lesson. Okay, and you are able to do all these type of questions. Allah Hafiz.